You hear that? That's the sound of me making money. My name's Tim, and I did the audio for Bumblebee. I've done the sound for Wicker Man, B-Movie, My Girl. So when I got the call for Bumblebee, I knew it was right in my wheelhouse. Plus, I just fucking love bees.
Not a single bee in the movie.
So it's back to the drawing board. To make the sounds of a transformer, you have to transform yourself into a transformer. At least that's what the guy at the Renaissance Fair told me. Only 1,500 bucks? The relationship between Bumblebee and Charlie is a hero-mentor relationship. It's a lot like the relationship I have with my apprentice, Tanya.
My name is Tara.
She looks up to me.
Tammy, I need to go to the bathroom.
No, absolutely.
Do not run!
No, I'm out.
She ran.
Finding the sincerity in Bee's voice was tricky, but luckily I always have indigestion. You can fake a lot of stuff. One thing you can't fake is the color yellow. When I hear the color yellow, I know it. Yellow, that's the sound that color makes. This movie is about transformations, literally, figuratively, and auditorially. Don't worry, I'm a professional.
Ah! Medic!